Hey, Uncle Nudge here, and today is August 1st. My under my canopy is empty because everything is all loaded in my truck. Oh my gosh. So anyway, tomorrow I'm doing the Darrington Jade Festival, which is going on August 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Well, tomorrow, Saturday, or today, Saturday, or maybe it's past. But anyway, August 2nd at about 5 a.m. I'll be leaving here, headed for Darrington, and set up. So hopefully come up and see me and everybody else and find some cool stuff. This is how basically I make money to go on trips and stuff. So anytime any of you can come out and buy anything, that really helps. So anyway, Uncle Nudge, 10 to 5 in Darrington. See you then.